What if I told you that you can turn this $0 into $112 with CPA marketing? Now this is my CPA Grip Payment Center, and as you can see, I have earned over $3,000 all time with this account alone, and I have over $200 pending for next Friday. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $100 consistently every single day with CPA marketing. Now it doesn't matter where you are from or how much money is in your bank account, and you can have zero previous experience. And in this video, my goal is going to be to show you how you can also copy what I do to make money with CPA Grip. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss out on any important information. So without further ado, let's hop right into my computer. So the first step is to head over to cpagrip.com. Now CPA Grip is a CPA marketing network that's going to allow you to choose an offer that you can promote. Now CPA means cost per action, and you will be paid every time somebody enters their email address or completes a specific action on one of your offers. So you don't have to sell anything to anyone. All you have to do is refer people to CPA offers, and when they enter an email address, you will get paid. So it's simple as that. So first of all, you want to register for a free account. So click on register. And now this is super easy, very basic stuff. All you have to do is fill in your information, and you don't even need a company to do this. But one important step you need to take is click on publisher type and click on GPT, which means get paid to. This is gonna get your account approved much faster. So I'm gonna log in for you guys, and I'm gonna show you what to do next. So once you have a free account, head over to the offer in my offer section, and here you can choose an offer that you can promote. So as you can see, for example, grab a $750 PayPal gift card. This offer pays out $2. Okay, so when I click on it, you can see that all you have to do is promote this link. All right, so click on copy link, and now every time somebody comes to this page, answers these simple questions and enters their email address, you will be paid $2. So this is how CPA marketing works in a nutshell. Now the second thing you want to do is head over to writesonic.com. Now this is an awesome AI tool, which means this is artificial intelligence, and this tool can do a number of things. For example, you can write articles, you can you can write Facebook ads, you can content rephrase, you can do sentence expander, so on and so forth. But what you want to do is click on product descriptions. All right, so as you can see, product descriptions, you want to click on it just like this, and now we can start writing a product description for our PayPal giveaway offer. So what you want to do is just give this a name. All right, so PayPal offer. So now for the product or service name, you want to type $750 PayPal gift card giveaway. All right, so we need to tell Sonic, write Sonic, what to write about. So this is a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway, and we can also do this for the product characteristics. So this is a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway, and now when you click on generate, okay, you can see that this is going to generate product descriptions for us. All right, so we don't have to do anything ourselves. So as you can see, this is a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway that you can win by simply entering our giveaway. You have the chance to win $750 by just entering our giveaway. All right, so you can choose from one of these descriptions. They're all awesome, so it doesn't really matter which one you choose. So I'm gonna go with the first one. I'm gonna click on copy. All right, so click on copy to clipboard. Now that we have a product description and a product that we want to promote, now head over to canva.com. Now this is an awesome designing tool that we're gonna use to design our ad. So now we want to search for Instagram templates. Okay, so something like this, Instagram grid templates. You want to click on it, and now we can choose one of these templates that we can directly start editing. So you can choose one of these templates. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this one for this example, and don't worry, you can also change this directly in the editor. All you have to do is click on templates and search for something like giveaway. Okay, you can search for giveaway, and you can see that you have a bunch of giveaway templates. So we can also choose one of these. So I'm gonna delete this, okay, and you can see that I can click on this one for instance, and this is an awesome design that we can directly start editing. So I can delete this website. Okay, so giveaway. And now since we have a PayPal $750 PayPal giveaway, we can just change this image out for a PayPal image. All right, so I'm just gonna delete this. All right, let me move this. I'm gonna delete the iPhone. I'm gonna place this back. Now head over to Google and search for PayPal gift card PNG. All right, so search for PayPal gift card PNG. And as you can see, we can choose this type of image. So this is a $750 PayPal gift card. So I'm going to download it. So save image as. I'm going to save it to my desktop and I'm going to upload it to Canva. So go back to Canva. Now click on uploads, click on upload files and search for the image that we have downloaded. Just click on it. All right, there we go. And as you can see, this is awesome. I'm just going to drag it in the center just like this. This looks pretty good, guys. And now what I can do is I can also edit this little text down here. So now I can click on this little text icon and I can drag this down like this, okay? I can drag this down, I can make it bigger. And now I can enter a text. Okay, so click on text, add a heading. You want to drag this down and search and type something like enter now, okay? Like this. You can change it to black. All right, and we can make it smaller so it fits the entire square. All right, so just like this. We can also make it bold. All right, this is awesome. So as you can see, this is a very good looking design and this is a giveaway $750 PayPal gift card. Enter now. So now we can click on share and click on download. I'm gonna download this 1080 by 1080. All right, so click on download and I'm gonna save it to my desktop. So now that we have designed our advertisement and we have our product description, now head over to shoutcart.com. Now this is an influencer marketing website and we can directly browse influencers that we're gonna pay to promote our advertisement. So click on browse influencers and as you can see, here are all the influencers on shoutcart.com that we can directly pay and they're gonna post our advertisement on their social media network. But what I recommend to do is search only for Instagram influencers. So deselect all of these channels, okay, and click on Instagram only. So now you're gonna have all of the Instagram influencers on this website. So as you can see, this is an account with 50,000 followers and they are asking for $100 per post. Or you have someone like this with 900,000 followers only for $70. So you can click on them and you can directly look at what type of post they're posting and if their profile is engaging. So we have a dog related videos. Our account is so active, we post the best animal pet videos twice a day. And you can also look at their demographics and where their followers are coming from. So you can see United States, 38%. Now, since we are promoting a US type offer, I recommend to find an influencer that has a demographic score of over 90% USA followers. All right, so look at follower demographics and make sure that United States is more than 90%. So this means that 90% of the people are following the account from the United States, and this is exactly what we are looking for. And as you can see, permanent feed post is $70. Your ad will stay on the Instagram feed permanently. URL of your choice as a bio link for 24 hours. And this is the description we're gonna post and send them, and they're gonna add this description to their bio. All right, so as you can see, they're gonna add this into their bio and they're gonna post or ad on their Instagram page. Now, obviously, we also need to give them the affiliate link so we can start making commissions. So all you have to do is just copy this link, head over to a website like bit.ly.com or tinyurl. You want to shrink this URL and then also send it to them. So send them the product description and your affiliate URL. Now, once you pay them $50 or $70 or whatever your budget is, they're gonna post the advertisement with your image. All right, so this one that we have downloaded. All right, so they're gonna post this image on their Instagram page, and they're gonna post the product description and the affiliate URL. And then you can just sit back and watch all the commissions rolling in. But once again, guys, make sure to pick a good Instagram influencer. So let me show you guys. This is 1.4 million followers, and they are asking for $150 per post. And let's look at their demographics when you click on them. All right, let me check out their demographics just to make sure that they will be a good influencer. And look at this, guys. This is also 38%. This is a bit better, but I recommend to find an influencer that has most of the followers from the United States. So make sure to spend a bit of time on this website to find a good influencer. Now, this method is for all of you that have a small budget. So if you have $10, $20, $30, $50, you can test this out and pay an influencer. But if you don't have any money, that's 100% okay. You can go to a website called Quora.com and you can search for something like save money. All right, and Quora.com is a question and answer website where people are asking questions online and you can answer their questions. Now just to show you that Quora.com has hundreds if not millions of monthly viewers, go to similarweb.com and you can see that August 800 million, September 780 million, October 800 million. So they have millions of monthly users. So head over to Quora.com and you can search for something like save money. All right, so here you have a question: what are the best ways to save money? You can click on it and you can see that people are answering these questions and they're getting thousands of views. So you can scroll down and you can see that this person right here, what are some cool tips which can help you save money? And he basically answered her question 4 years ago. And when you scroll down, all right, you can click on more, you can see that 55,000 people saw this reply. And you can also post your affiliate link when you are responding. All right, so all you have to do is type some good ways to save money, and then you can leave your affiliate URL below and people can go to your URL and submit for the PayPal gift card giveaway, all right, for a chance to win. Or you can scroll down and you can see here are my top 20 ways to save money, and when you click on more you can see this one has 40,000 views. So guys, don't sleep on Quora. This is what I use every single day myself as well to promote multiple affiliate products of my own. All right, so whether that's from CPA Grip, Max Bounty, ClickBank, Digistore, you can use Quora to promote any offer online. You just have to add some value and actually reply with some value. All right, so actually spend a bit of time when you are responding to these questions, and then you can leave your link at the bottom. All right, so you can type something like, hey, if you want to enter for a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway, just click here. Now the final way to get a lot of free traffic to your CPA Grip offer and make hundreds of dollars per day is head over to freeads.co.uk. Now this is a free ads website where you can directly post a ad 100% for free, and when you go to similarweb.com you can see that they have over 3 million monthly users. Now be careful guys, this is a UK website, so you want to choose an offer that is for UK users, all right, so you can start making commissions. Now head over to freeads.com, sign up for free, and you can post an advertisement 100% for free. So once you have a free account, click on post ad, all right, and on the left side you can see jobs. Now click on digital marketing, okay, and now you can directly type your advertisement. So add your title, description, but make sure not to add your affiliate link in your description because your account will get banned. Just leave your email address here, all right, so you can do something like leave your email address, all right, and contact me to enter. All right, now people will be responding to your description. They're going to be emailing you, hey, I want to enter the giveaway, please send it over to me, and then you can directly email the giveaway to them. So make sure to fill all of this out and submit your ad, and people will start contacting you and emailing you, and you can start responding with your affiliate link. So this is exactly how you can go from $0 to $1,000 per week with CPA marketing and free traffic. And also if you have a small budget, you can directly pay influencers to promote your advertisement. So thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Make sure to comment down below what you think about this method and if you're gonna try it out. I'm super curious to see if you guys liked it. Now, if this is something that you want to do full time, then I would recommend for you to check out my affiliate escape plan course. It's in the description, and in that course I teach you how to go from 0 to 10K per month with CPA affiliate marketing. It's an in-depth training program and I cover everything from A to Z. So if this is something that you're interested in doing and you want to do this full time, then make sure to check it out. It's called the Affiliate Escape Plan and it's below this video. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next one.